what's up guys? So for today's video, I'm going to the studio kung saan kami magpapa-makeup kasi may aatanan kami na party. So samahan nyo ako and let's go!
Welcome to our studio!
Yes! Mong goal today, ma'am, is kani mga batak sa night shift. Magwa ko bagin nila. Uwi na tayo. Si Ma'am Karen, ang amo ang makeup artist. Hi guys!
Kinsa ma?
Murag bride.
My God.
Ay, bet naman ang pagka-vlogger. Kada mo. Wala masaya lang. We just arrived at LMX and are we ready? Are we?
Nami sa gawas. Asa ang venue? Sa street.
Tulad na daw.
Wala ko yun, namagapan ako. Ako mga friendship eh. Mga dapat kayo. Wala pa.
Hi! Diri yung namin kay para doon tapon. Much.
You are so pretty.
Hi, thank you.
You have given to our dear Mama Leticia 75 years of fruitful existence. So thank you for treating me as your own child.
Hindi ka sa tubig, ang kita mo hindi ang anak siya po. So, isa yung paano ako.
Let's bang Cheers! So that's it guys. Tapos na yung party and we really enjoyed it. First time ko nakakita ng party na may Zumba dance and it really feels good kasi alam mo yung nababurn mo din yung mga kinain mo na sobrang dami. And it brings, for me it brings like bonding sa lahat ng mga bisita. So maganda siya na part sa program ng birthday. And then lahat talaga, like pati lalaki nagsayaw. As makikita nyo dyan sa video ko guys, na sobrang enjoy ng mga tao na dumalo sa 75th birthday ni Mami Leticia. So shout out, thank you very much for inviting us and making us part of the family. Thank you very much. Guys, I really recommend the makeup studio na namin ng makeup namin. Highly recommended kasi tapos na yung party, sumayaw na kami ng Zumba and all, but our makeups are still here. Hindi kami holas. Pretty pa rin kami. So shout out dyan kay Ma'am Karen and to other people yung makasama niya doon sa studio. And you can also visit their page. And ito yung page nila guys. Ayan, nakikita nyo dyan. Yan yung page nila. You can follow them. You can also follow Miss Karen. Actually, marami sila na makeup artist doon. And they are so kind. And sobrang ganda nila mag-makeup. That's it. Medyo pagod na ako. Hinihingal pa ako and sobrang sakit na ng paa ko dahil sa heels. Ewan ko, feeling ko patay na yung kuko ko. Thank you very much and that's all for today. Bye-bye.